Greetings everyone, Stefan is here. Welcome back for another video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to switch off the beeping sound on a Cammus C5 in the software. Luckily, Cammus pushed a software update yesterday, and the beeping sound is super annoying, especially at night when you decide to do some racing late night. But when you switch on, the wheel makes this annoying beeping sound. Let me demonstrate. As you can hear, the sound is very annoying, especially at night. Believe me, it's very annoying. It's very loud. So how to switch off the beeping sound? So let's go to the Cammus software. Let's open the software. Yes. So once you open the Cammus software, as you can see here, on left side we have main, parameters, devices, and update. So check when you open the software if there's any updates. Click on the updates, and then here on the bottom you can check for updates. As you can see, everything's up to date, which is very cool. Now let's go to the devices. Once you open the devices, here on the top you're gonna see steering wheel and dashboard. Go to the dashboard, and here on the bottom you're gonna see sound effect on. Starting wheel. So this needs to be off. Switch it off. And now let me demonstrate again. Let me switch off the wheel. So as you can see, the wheel is off. Let's switch on the wheel now. And as you can hear, or maybe you didn't hear, there is no beeping sound anymore. So thanks Cammus for pushing this update, because the beeping sound was very annoying. So if you enjoyed today's video, smash the like button, share, subscribe. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. Also, you can save yourself a 5% off in the descriptions down below if you decide to buy the Cammus C5. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.